Hello and welcome to part 3 of our Pennies-AI tutorial series where we're going to focus on login. We're not just going to focus on login, it's going to also focus on sessions, tokens, and two-factor authentication. So we'll see how we keep your account secure. So we're going to put in the same email address as we used when we registered last time. Because we don't want to type that in every time, we'll hit remember me. So you submit that, we get our good old one-time code from the server, put that in, we submit, and we're logged in. So you're logged in just on this device for this token. You can also log in on Android, on web, on your tablet. You can have as many sessions as you want. They last 60 days and then you log in again. So you don't have to log in every time you start your app or go to the website. So that's very convenient. To make your account more secure, we do several things. One, the token that we generate for each session uses a fingerprint of several things about your device plus about your profile. So someone can't take your token and use it on their device to try and spoof you. That'll be ignored. You can't even take your own token to another device and try to use it. It won't work. So that keeps your account secure. The other way to keep your account more secure than just the one-time passwords is two-factor authentication. So we'll go to two-factor. So this can be a little confusing, so let's go through it. Two-factor authentication helps you keep your account secure by using an authenticator like Google or Authy, Microsoft Authenticator, there's a bunch of them. So you can set up an authenticator two different ways. You can scan this QR code, or there's a setup key that got copied to your clipboard when this page loaded. So you can actually go to the authenticator on your phone, paste that setup key in when you're setting up the authenticator account, and it'll start generating codes for you. Since I'm on a simulator, I'm going to use my actual phone here and take the picture. And now we've got our code. So now I'm going to type in that authenticator code here. And I'm going to save it. It authenticates you on that first time and tells you your authenticator is now active. So you can remove the authenticator right here anytime you want, but the best thing to do is keep that thing enabled. So now I'm going to go back, log out, I'll log back in. So now when we submit, you see there's two fields. One for the one-time code that comes in your email, and the other from your authenticator. Typed in one. We'll wait for it to refresh real quick. Now we'll hit submit, and we're logged in. So, two ways to keep your account secure there. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time.